Imagine getting Genesis-level luxury for the price of a base Honda Civic. That's exactly what's happening over in South Korea right now with the newly revealed 2027 Hyundai Grandeur facelift. If you're listening from here in North America, you probably remember this car as the Azera, Hyundai's old flagship sedan before they abandoned the segment on our shores. But overseas, it's an absolute powerhouse. It remains Korea's best-selling sedan and the second best-selling vehicle of any kind, trailing only the Sorento SUV. The 7th generation just dropped in November 2022, but Hyundai is already rolling out a meaningful update. Visually, the biggest change is up front, with a cleaner, shark nose face. They've slimmed down that signature full-width LED light bar, shrunk the main headlights considerably, and merged the grille and air intakes into a single unit, finished with generous chrome detailing. The side profile is largely carried over, but they've introduced new alloy wheel options and a fresh artistic burgundy paint option, available in both glossy and matte finishes. Around back, you've got some really smart tweaks. The turn signals finally migrated from the lower rear bumper up into the full-width LED taillight bar. You'll also notice slimmer black trim on the bumper and new chrome accents framing the diffuser. As for its footprint, the car actually grew a bit. It now stretches 198.8 inches, or 5,050 millimeters end-to-end. That's a 0.6 inch or 15 millimeter stretch over the outgoing model. But the real story is the overhauled cabin. The centerpiece is a massive 17-inch touchscreen running Hyundai's brand new Android-based Plios Connect software. It completely replaces the previous setup, which used a 12.3-inch infotainment display and a separate 10.25-inch climate panel. They also pushed a slimmer digital instrument cluster further back on the dash. To keep the redesigned dashboard looking completely sleek, Hyundai hid the electric climate vents from view, meaning the air volume and direction are now controlled exclusively through the touchscreen. But thankfully, the center console still houses physical buttons for the main functions. When you are driving, certain functions you just need to find straight away by touch. So keeping those tactile, physical switches where it counts is a massive win for usability. Adding to that premium, homely atmosphere is a smart vision roof that electronically switches between opaque and transparent. You also get quilted upholstery, a unique couch pattern on the door panels, warm wood inserts, metal accents, and subtle indirect lighting. Under the hood, Hyundai hasn't released all the specifics, but the powertrains are expected to mirror the predecessor. That means a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter GDI, a 1.6-liter turbo hybrid, and the flagship 3.5-liter V6. That V6 comes in both gasoline and LPG flavors, with optional all-wheel drive. South Korean buyers will see the updated Grandeur in dealerships within the next few months. The current model starts at 37.98 million won, which is roughly $25,800, and this refreshed version will likely sit just a touch above that. If you found this breakdown insightful, please drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates.